Hey guys, welcome to BestSub TV. I'm Katrina. Today, let me introduce our new Craft Express Sublimation transfer sheet. I'm so excited to share this amazing products with you because they are suitable for those people who don't have the printer and perfect for those craft lovers and beginners to the sublimation business. We currently launch two design collections, natural hues and fashion tones, and we have two different color packs and a single color pad and a mixed color pad. In the mixed color pad, we have 6 different colors to choose from. Okay, let's open the package. Inside the package, there is some butchers, and then this is the gorgeous pattern versions. And there are 2 different sizes to choose from. This one has the same length and width. It's 30.5 centimeters. And they are suitable for printing polyester fabric and some tote bags. And this one is 30.5 centimeter in length and 11.4 centimeter in width, and they are suitable for printing the most popular 11, 12, and 15 sublimation mugs, tumblers, and some ornaments. And their transfer color will be more vivid, vibrant after printing. This sublimation transfer sheet is used together with the cutting machine, and you can cut with the created design and then press it directly. And if you don't have the cutting machine, you can cut with the scissors for what design you want, or just print it on the cutting paper. Their printing results also marvelous. Before operating, you have to prepare the cutting mat, scissors, a resistant tape, a lint roller, and the tweezers, and this craft gadget. Let's go ahead and get started.